Being an entrepreneur is one of the hardest challenges a person can take on because this is something you have to do day in, day out, night in, night out. It never stops, and your effort determines how successful you'll be. Once I launched, most of my customers turned out to be entrepreneurs like myself, and that's when I realized that this is the perfect advertising tool. It's a walking billboard. Imagine wearing the Pixler Bag down the street and just getting stopped over and over again. Wouldn't that help your brand? The Pixler Bag allows you to just showcase your product or service in ways in which requires no effort. Unlike any other luxury brand, the Pixler Bag is an investment. This is an asset that can be used to grow your business and take you to the next level. Whether it be a barber, a hairstylist, a masseuse, a credit repair agent, a tax preparer. Perfect for anyone that wants to use a creative tool to enhance their product or service. I started the Pixler Bag right after COVID hit. I just got laid off from work, just like so many others that's out there. And that's when I decided that it is time for me to start something that I have full control over. Something that I can use to determine what my future would look like. I started the Pixler Bag because I wanted to take back control over that part of my life. Relying on others to achieve certain goals or to just survive is hard, and life can just throw a curveball at you just like that, and all your plans go through the window. So I was born and raised in Jamaica. I grew up in the parish called St. Mary, and I was raised in a family of entrepreneurs. My mom, she had a business. My dad, he had his little side hustle, and I believe that's really where I got the passion from being, an entrepreneur myself. And one thing I can remember my mother always say was that once you invest in the right people, the rewards would follow. My name is Seye Vandi, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Pixler Bag.